so bored. Oh, hey friends, it's just Jeff. Hey, it's summer. School's out, the sun is out, and I'm gonna show you 3 summer boredom busters. Cheap stuff. Stuff you probably already have. Stuff your parents are gonna be so excited about, they might let you stay up 5 extra minutes tonight. Maybe. No promises.
It's just Jeff. He's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa. Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff. Here we go. Hey!
Idea number 1, we're gonna make the biggest painting of your life. This is a shower curtain liner, the cheap kind, the clear plastic kind that has holes at the top. Those are called grommets. Say it with me.
Grommets.
Mets, like your favorite baseball team if you live in New York and you aren't a Yankees fan. Okay, so you can either tie it to the fence with string through the grommets, or you can use clips like this. I wanted to try the clips. Behold, a giant canvas for free.
Free?
Well, like $1, whatever. Okay, then we've got a muffin tin. You use this to hold your paint, your brushes, sponges, hands, feet if you're feeling weird, whatever you need to paint. All right, then here's the best part. Parents, when the kids are done painting, you take the hose and you wash the whole thing off. It's ready for tomorrow. Same canvas, different masterpiece, endless painting. Idea number 2. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do your grown-ups have a metal shoe organizer?
Huh?
Or a metal laundry drying rack, the folding kind, the kind that sits in your garage and looks like it's planning something? Yes, you do. Everybody has one of those. It's law. Guilty! As long as it's metal and not plastic, this is important. Muy importante, that's Spanish. You can stick magnet tiles all over it. Now, I've invited my best buddy Super Fox over to help me get this set up. All right, friends, look at this. Now, knock them off. Super Fox, let him have it. Oh! See you later, blue square. Hasta la vista, baby. That one was for the parents. You know. Oh, nice shot. Okay, quick note. We're using this giant water gun to play this. You don't need that. You can use a water gun any size. You can use a garden hose. You can use a spray bottle. Get creative and have the best time ever. And this is the beautiful part. When you knock them all off, you just stick them back on again and again and again. Listen, parents, this will buy you like 45 minutes of free time. We're talking you could read an entire magazine. You could drink a cup of coffee while it's still warm. Imagine. Okay, and pro tip. If you're on pavement instead of grass, throw a towel down so your tiles don't get all banged up. These little guys are sensitive. They have feelings. Oh.
I love you too.
What's up, dudes? Idea number 3. the grand finale, the piece de resistance. That's French. This thing, it only costs like $6 at the dollar store. That's less than a fancy coffee. That's less than a ticket to the movie. That's less than, well, just about anything. These days, things are expensive, but not this. Step 1, shower liner. This isn't like the shower liner we used earlier. This one's frosty. It'll come in handy. Step 2, create a giant tic-tac-toe board. Put a rock on each corner so the curtain doesn't blow away. We actually ended up using bricks because the rocks weren't heavy enough. Otherwise, your tic-tac-toe board becomes a kite, which is also fun, but a different activity entirely. Now for the bean bags. Now, if you don't have these at home, I also like to use my Hot Wheels, or for an extra challenge, water balloons. You throw them into the squares, you get 3 in the row, and you win. Just like regular tic-tac-toe, except for it's huge, outside, and way more dramatic. Oh no, also in the square. What a day. Here's the thing about summer. Sometimes grown-ups can't take you to a big fancy place every day. Sometimes the budget is just this big. But that's okay. You don't need a big fancy budget to have fun. You don't need to go to a theme park. You don't need the newest toy. You just need a little creativity. Sometimes all you need is a rock. Sometimes all you need is a little tape. Sometimes all you need is that shoe rack that's out in the garage and a grown-up that's willing to get a little bit messy with you. You know what? Some of the best summer days of my life are the cheapest ones. Running through the sprinklers, drawing on the driveway with chalk, eating a popsicle on the front step. Those are the things that stick in your heart, and they don't cost you a thing. All right, friends, be the boss of your own fun. Look around, use what you've got, make something out of nothing. That's a superpower, and you have already got it. I'm Jeff, and you're awesome. Let's go get a little bit messy this summer. And don't forget, whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe.